All right, what are we doing today?
So today we're doing something a little bit different. We're gonna play pool with an RC car. All right.
Are you ready?
Yep.
3.
All right, hold on.
We gotta get the angle.
I know I'm such a
Angle.
All right, go for it.
Release. Bam. Oh man, you gotta control it.
Oh, you made it. You made it. Now come back.
Haley's turn. Oh.
No, he made one in.
Yes,
Oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah, he made one in.
Made one in.
Go back.
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Solid.
Solid.
Go.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting.
All right. Whose turn?
Emma.
It's Manuel's turn. All right, let's see.
Depression. Jaden. You got 10. Oh, solid. Now you're gonna go long. Stripes. Your turn again. Oh,
I got a stripe before then.
get them stripes. Ah.
Let's just try.
And
Ooh.
Now what do I do?
go for another stripes.
Okay.
Oh, hit a ball, no.
Woo! I can't. Woo!
Oh. And time.
What? Time? I didn't know there was time limit on there.
Maybe because RC car. But still.
All right, whose turn?
Oh, it's my turn. Yay!
Ready?
Up. Stripes.
Oh!
Wait, so if you get a stripe, you go again?
Yep.
Okay. If you get a solid, you. What are you doing?
That was close.
All right, dude, your turn.
That was a little. Ooh.
You touched the 8.
Oh. I really did. I'm pushing it.
That was a scratch. That was like a scratch right there.
Yeah. Oh,
Going backwards.
Go upward. Oh no, get ready to go upward.
Oh!
No more stripes. Yay. Woo!
All right, you got the 8 ball.
8 ball is so.
Wait. Was
Now
I
you go
supposed
for all
to
the
do it?
solid.
Was I
Wait.
supposed to do that?
Oh yeah, never mind. 8 ball. Oh, just destroy everything.
Oh, God, even me.
Power play.
That was probably considered a scratch, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
What? No, do not touch that 8. That 8 is evil. Evil.
The RC car does not know this. It only hits.
Ugh.
It's not concerned by ball. Oh, you got this? Yeah.
Okay, run.
Time.
Time. Who else's turn?
Controller.
We have to do confess.
Oh, you're gonna try it this time. All right, right.
I've not used this one yet.
No, okay, so if you want to go forward, you just hold these. If you want to go backward, just straight forward. You go hold these. If you want to go straight backward.
Alright.
And then turn, just hold one.
So what do you think this is? What do you think this is going?
I think it's going great.
How do you think this is going?
Yes. Yes.
I think it's going. You get it?
I think we found a new way to play pool, huh?
Yeah. Oh, watch out. Fingers on the ball.
Oh, that's a scratch.
Dang.
Oh,
Is that a scratch?
Look at that. You're a cheater.
I'm a cheater.
You are a cheater.
Okay, fine. Let's take that one back out because I cheated. What?
Ball inbound. Take it out.
Don't take it out.
Take the shot. Yeah.
Move your face, bud.
Okay, I'll move my face away from the face. Whatever I'm thinking.
Just don't hit the ball. Whatever you do. Okay, that's okay.
You touched. Oh.
We are good.
Just don't get that.
You us all. For every touch is a year of bad luck.
What?
See what you.
I have like so many years of bad
You just asking for trouble.
I get a beating stick.
Oh, the 8 ball is moving
Don't touch
today.
that ball.
Don't
Yeah.
touch that ball. You can only touch the 8 ball now.
Yay.
You know you moved it. It has free reign as long as you don't hit a pocket.
Oh yeah. Mine.
Watch your fingers.
It didn't hit a
Don't get
pocket.
crushed.
No.
Anyways, how fun do you think this was compared to hitting it with a Q-step?
It's pretty fun.
I
I
like
think it's
this.
fun
If I
because
could
you get
figure out how to use it, it would be even better.
Yes.
Oh!
Lid.
Don't hit the thing. You must keep this thing. Yeah.
Move your fingers, bud.
Oh, watch your fingers. Move them. But yeah. Yes. Yes, back there. It's like it turned into a predator. It just stopped. Just stared. It's like a
Imagine
Cylon
it-
on the prowl.
I actually think this is pretty fun compared to the other one.
Yeah.
Cause
All right, well,
I like this.
signing off.
what? No.
You don't want to sign off yet?
Okay, no. Into this fun.
Myers Family Fun.
Yeah.
New Year's 2019, 2020.
Yeah.
I love it.
Love
All right,
and
everybody.
all hope.
Have a great year.
Thank you very much.
We'll make some more videos.
And we'll
Love you
finish.
much.
Love you much.